Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. A while back I got this package and I opened it just the top, and then I stopped myself and said nope, I want to do that on video because it's a really cool set. I haven't looked in it or anything yet. I ripped the top open and said whoa, stop. So this is a really cool power supply kit that I got that's going to help me with my projects. It's I thought just really neat. Again, I haven't looked in here yet, but it's got everything you need for experiments and power supplies. Oh, there's a gift. Airbag cell phone kit. I have no idea what that is. I'll give that to my wife. You can stretch that out. Okay. A gift for the wife. Good. Now what we have here... Oh, lucky customer gift. Oh, wow. There's extras. Isn't that interesting? There's a bonus, I guess. It says gift. They don't all say gift, do they? No. Isn't that weird? There's some extra jumpers in there, if you can see there. And something, I don't know, maybe some kind of a voltage regulator and some capacitors. We'll come back to that. Alright, now the main part of this is a breadboard. Okay? A solderless breadboard, which is great. I'm going to open it up because I'm going to be using it. Now, I read reviews. Some of these breadboards have very tight holes. They're all pretty stiff when you get them new. I'm used to that. We've got here a package of various resistors, which is really good. It's always nice to have. The next biggest part is this here. Let me pause the camera. This is the next coolest thing in the package. This is actually, if I can get it out, a power supply board. Really cool. There's a power supply with all kinds of jumpers. I'm going to have to look at the instructions, which do not come with the kit. There's a 9-volt plug, which I'll get to here in a minute. There's a USB power, and then there's your jumpers to go out to various projects, and there's pins on the bottom to put into your breadboard. That is a really cool thing. Now here we got some components, and this is a really packed kit. That's why I wanted to share it with you. I thought it was so neat. Here are a mess of LEDs and a 9-volt DC plug to power your power supply. Really cool. So it makes power supply experimentation really easy, which is why I got this, because I'm working with 18650s heavily right now, and I am going to be building my own BMS, battery management systems, and charging systems. So we've got here some little switches, a whole mess of switches here. And then we've got a multicolored LED. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 pin. It's probably a tricolor LED. And here we have, so when you're ready to make it permanent, there's some solder boards. There's some screw-in terminals. Really cool. And here is a massive component. So let's slide this over, give me room. There's a mess of stuff in here. This is a really loaded kit for the price. I mean, I am very pleased with this for the price from what I saw online. Now here we got some connectors. I forgot the actual name. Headers. Looks like some Zener diodes. A mess of electrolytic capacitors, and some really cool potentiometers with dials. How cool is that? They come with the dials. That's nice. Looks like we got some voltage regulator diodes. We got a mess of ceramic capacitors, mess of little transistors. Here's a tiny little switch. And here is a whole mess of different connecting wires, which I love. This makes your experimenting so nice. We got long ones, we got short ones, and we got everything in here. This is a really neat kit. So let's open up the extra gift here and see what we got. I guess that's not... Actually, I think... Isn't that supposed to be part of the package? There's some capacitors. They look like precision capacitors. That's probably a voltage regulator. I can't see in this light. And some caps for your headers. I don't think that's supposed to be a gift. Well, anyway, there is everything you need to put together a power supply. Really neat little set. This in itself is cool, because it's just a convenient little thing you can pop on your board, and you got all the power you need for your projects. I think that's really neat. I'm going to probably be using the USB more than anything with my 18650 batteries to power the device, to experiment on making chargers for 18650 batteries. That's just cool. Well, I'm going to put the link down below. Very brief video, just an unboxing and showing you some of the stuff I got here. I really like the package. The price was good. And to have it all neat in one place, this just alone is really nice to have. The dials, you don't usually get them with your potentiometers. Really cool kit. I'm pretty sure it's a voltage regulator. Let me check. Yes, 7805. So it's a 5-volt voltage regulator. Good light always helps a lot. So then I can look at this here a little bit better. Oh, power input is 7 to 12 volts. And in here we have 5 volts off and 3.3 volts. Here we've got 5 volts off and 3.3 volts. So we've got two different outputs on there. And all you do is just move the cap around. So that would be your power output on the bottom. Pretty cool. I'm going to get the instructions and print it out so I have it on hand. 7 to 12 volts. That is good. I can run this on a solar panel. Cool. Well, guys, check out the link below. I think it's a cool kit for anybody that likes to experiment, or, I mean, just have some components on hand for messing around. I'm going to be starting on this stuff, using some of this tonight already. I think it's cool. Please like this video. Leave a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't. Got a lot of cool videos coming. Talk to you later.